Okay, let's talk about this. Are we going to lose our job, our business intelligence job, over to AI, since SQL servers now AI built on it? So is it possible that an elementary student can replace us with by using AI? And the answer is what? The answer is no. Because in the Philippines alone, the salary for BI professional has increased by 100%. So by December, our salary was around 100,000. Just June of this year, which is 6 months, our top salary is now 200,000. And what's driving this surge is that companies are rushing to integrate AI into decision making. And BI pros with experience in Azure Power BI data lakes and AI integration are in short supply. And demands for AI enhanced BI framework is making senior BI available. And many Philippine enterprises are moving to Azure, AWS, GCP, and need BI architects to design the pipelines. In short, there is uh, a very high demand for BI architects, and there are very few BI professionals, and the migration budget is very big, and they can allow to pay as high as we want. So we can demand as, name your price, Joey. Um, and then business now want BI plus AI plus cloud plus governance in one profile, and there's only 5 of that in the Philippines. Joke. Professional who can combine traditional BI with machine learning and open AI are rare, and pushing salaries are the tendency, or that's the result. And companies are inside to stay competitive. BI roles have moved from report builders to strategic business enablers, which commands higher pay. Meaning they're just side by side with a business executive. So if you fire your BI professional today, you are losing money by 100%. Why? Because data equals competitive advantage. Without BI, companies lose their ability to make fast informed decisions that cost revenue immediately. BI drives AI initiative, and they need curated governed data pipelines, and your BI team is the one building the main and maintaining them. Market shortage. So with salaries for BI architects doubling from 100,000 to 200,000 in just 6 months, firing them now means paying double later to replace some expertise. And losing historical context, BI pros carries institutional knowledge of your company data, KPI, and metrics. Losing them means months of rebuilding. With the advent of AI, BI folks become empowered by 1000%. So if you're thinking that you are going to replace us with your minimal knowledge with your AI insight, that is completely wrong. With AI empowers BI professional by 1000% because it speed up the insight. So AI automates the query generation, ETL testing, anomaly detection, data generation for test data, and what used to take days can now be done in minutes. Predictive and prescriptive powers, and how BI moves beyond what happened into what will happen in the future with machine learning, which is not known to anybody. AI model unlock forecasting and optimization at scale. So no one is designing forecasting, and that is just to very few of us who can do the forecast based on historic sale. AI models unlock forecasting and optimization at scale. And then natural language interfaces. So we have now Copilot on SQL Server and SSMS, and BI Pros enables everyone in the organization massively expanding influence. So automation equals more time to strategy. AI takes care of the repetitive SQL data cleansing and report generation. BI team now focuses on data architecture, governance, and business alignment. BI plus a cloud expertise make you part of a rare talent pool commanding top salaries. With AI, BI professionals aren't replaced, they're amplified, turning insights into action 1,000 times faster and more accurately than ever. So having BI tools isn't the same as having a BI expertise. So AI automation needs proper setup, KPI, structured data, proper security, and an experienced user won't know how to set those things up. And AI can teach data strategy. BI is not just about aligning data with business strategy. Experienced BI folks know how to ask intelligent questions and translate business need into technical solutions. Tools don't replace business context. So BI tools can generate dashboards, but they can't understand the business problem or interpret metrics without human expertise. Even if we're talking about technology, the difficulty underlining the technology, for example, it's something that cannot be understood by BI, by AI. mean, it will generate the script for you, but it will not know what's the bottleneck actually is. So it would, even if you're using AI tools, it would still take a lot of time to generate the correct data because there are system limitations. An experienced user might misread data and make wrong decisions, which can cost company far more than the tool's license. Garbage in and garbage out. I see this a lot of time. BI success depends on data modeling, ETL design, and governance. Without experience, data pipelines often produce bad output. The tool looks good, but insights are wrong. Competitive market. Companies are paying 200,000 now monthly for BI architects in the Philippines. Those with deep experience and AI integration skills are in huge demand, making non-experienced user easy to replace with true experts. BI isn't just dashboard, it's a strategy, governance, and insight. And giving an AI to those who don't have experience is like handing them a jet to someone who has never flown. So again, that's all for now, and thank you for watching. And in addition to that, we can do a lot of things now that AI has come in. So I can generate content like this very quickly, and I can work on my other jobs very quickly as I learn BI and combining it with my BI skills. So basically, I can do more jobs than ever. And yeah, you're not going to, if you kick us, you kick yourself in the butt.